tempatnya harap berhati-hati aja ya. Sambil diambil brosurnya dan nikmati promo-promo yang ada. Di antaranya ada promo motor sampai dengan
that flyover in the distance is the Roxy flyover. It's a mall on this side and there is a slightly bigger mall on the other side. Not going to review a flyover. I'm headed towards a derelict railroad that might or might not be there. Built in the Dutch colonial times, somewhere in the 1800s. Because there used to be a gas factory around here. Going to just to the northern side. As the remainders of the track should be on that side. Not much that's left, but from Google Maps you can see that there is a curved track, two actually, that merge together and then run towards the east to where the gas factory used to be. Somewhere between here and that apartment building is Duri train station, just to the north, so that's to the right from us. There used to be tracks running here, roughly from down below there, in a curve behind the mosque, a little bit further, and one track that comes from Duri station towards the east, because the gas factory used to be there. This is a pretty nondescript area. The Roxy Mall is across the canal over there behind the flyover. And here's another mall thing type. But if we pay attention and walk to the right over here, this is Jalan Makmur or Prosperity Street. And they've been doing some demolitions here. Not sure why. But this specific road used to be a railroad track. We are going to walk it towards the north from here. Left and right from us is empty fields. It's a straight section of track here for a bit before we are making a slight right curve. This area is used for parking, parking of tuk-tuks, the three-wheelers. Oh, this one has seen better days. This probably belongs to the State Railroad Company still, although there's no tracks left anymore. Those goats eat grass and plastics. This is one of the alleys to the village, out of the connecting neighborhood right over there. I think we can have a look. This is all empty land. Probably belongs to a state-owned company. That line of trees is where the bend is. And then we are going to the gas factory. Oh, don't be scared. Yeah. This is the curve towards the right. I'll be adding quite a lot of commentary, I guess. Yeah, but... So, right over there is back to the main road. And if we look to that side, we'll see another curve in the road. A lot of pigeons. Look at them.
Mau Mister?
Ya, enggak Pak, makasih. Offer me a ride, but I'm almost there. And probably you wonder why you have a gas factory that needs a train line with coal transports. Well, back in the day, the gas, you know, wasn't liquefied natural gas or LPG. It was derived from burning coal. You'll end up at the tracks, but the station is just 50 meters away. Yeah, go.
Hello, Mister.
Yeah, I get the feeling that they don't see a lot of foreigners roaming around the neighborhood here.
harap berhati-hati aja ya. Sambil diambil brosurnya dan nikmati promo-promo yang ada. Di Di antaranya ada promo otomatis.
This is the canal. That is the commuter line train nowadays. And on this side, there's a curve in the track. You can't just see it, but right around the curve over there, yeah, the remainders of another bridge. That right over there is Duri station, and you can't see it, but along this side, right in front of the train station, is where the train curves towards the former gas factory. This is not the best part of town, as you can see, but once again, it's really safe. And people are really friendly, as I showed you. While we wait for this train to pass, a quick guide on where we are. The station in the distance is Duri station, where a curved track used to run, going behind the buildings on the opposite side of the tracks, connecting to the former gas factory. No visible track remains, but we will soon try to locate the little railroad bridge that's still in place. Photo. Wait. Wait. This one? Yeah? That is a lot of sugar, but it's tea.
Channel YouTube.
Johan Travel.
Johan Travel.
Sniffing a little bit of local culture here before we jump into the deep and actually go and look for that bridge. It's a hot day today, so no hurry, right? Someone passing with fresh coconuts. Oh, look. This is real Jakarta life if you are a diehard. That guy with the coconuts is going really fast. And this is the this is the very bridge we are looking for. Yes, hello. And this is all that's left. And a small village, but we're going for this one. This is the old railroad bridge to Duri station, which is behind me. You can't see the tracks because everything is built up. 1, 2, 3 stories high. Look at that. Main bola. Main bola di mana? Ayo.
Jauh.
Jauh.
Ya.
Dekat. Jauh dekat.
Dekat.
Oke, dekat.
Masukin YouTube ya, Mister?
YouTube nanti.
YouTube apa namanya?
Johan's Travel.
Wah, travel.
That's too many children here, but it's way too fun. So this
Bu
is
Maria pas nyengir lagi.
the very old Dutch railway bridge. Yes. We are in Duri, and this is downtown of. Yes. Yeah. We are on one of the oldest railway bridges that's just over this little bit of water here. From Duri station to the old gas factory. It used to be about 1 kilometer east of here.
Mister.
Yeah. I think someone passed away. Yes. This is Zainul Arifin Street. It's a normal street, but we scoot over a bit. We have this little side part of it, looks like an extra road. This is the place where the trucks used to run. From there. There's no railroads tracks anymore, at least not above ground. There might be some covered here because roughly half a meter is added in the last 80 to 100 years in these areas of Jakarta. Let's walk over to the former site of the gas factory, as there is still a building of the gas company nowadays. There is no remnants of a railway bridge here, probably because the road is really wide here. Most of the buildings here are still set back pretty far from the main road, so you can roughly see where the plots end. That's a bird. And all the way to where we came from, it's where there used to be that track. This is another bridge over a canal, and here you can actually see the old railway embankments. That's one, and that's another one. The yellow one is a gas main now, so they changed it. It's now gas. But how to know what it's really old? Well, they use bricks for the embankments here. That's really cool. Right here we are in front of the current head office of the state-owned gas company, PGN. This is basically the end of the line, no pun intended, because beyond me is the rest of Jakarta, nothing to see anymore. And the gas factory used to be here. The trains with coal would run up, bring their coals and drop it off again. Those coals were brought in from other islands, from Sumatra and Kalimantan, for example, by train to Tanjung Priok before it was trained here. Tanjung Priok is not too far away, we have been there before. And I might drop by to show you how it actually went down, as all those tracks are still here. There is some more of those embankments. Not sure if they are as old as the Dutch colonial time, because all the buildings here are new. But the alignment is old, that's for sure. Normally when you're walking around at a former track, you'll find rails that are used as fences and stuff, but it's not the case here. Nothing left. This is the old headquarters of the gas company. Not much to see from here. Probably should ask if I can make a picture from just inside the fence. This is the only colonial building that's left from the former gas company, and the gas factory itself is long gone. I'm going to ask you if I can make a picture. Misi Pak, maaf saya mau tanya.
A few moments later.
As this building is a national object of importance, I was not allowed to take one picture inside of the gate, which I can understand. At least I asked. So I'll find stock photo of the old building and replace it with the picture I wanted to take. Oh, this is Jakarta from the other side, I guess. This is just a few hundred meters away from any main road that you normally would walk on. Take a left, take a right, and you'll end up somewhere here, somewhere in Jakarta, somewhere that hasn't seen a foreign tourist in probably ever. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye. See you next time.